This is the insulation loft module. This is a small module, but useful to have if you are doing loft insulation work. To start, I will enter how many square metres of loft I will be insulating. This is 44 square metres. I'm given an option of a first layer, as often this will be a thinner insulation that is cut and placed between the joists. I'll just select my first layer material and click on the magnifying glass. The default selection for this is a 100mm thick roll of insulation, as this is often the most common choice. I will be using this selection, but if you wanted something different, you would just select it from the drop-down menu. Or, if you're not going to be doing a first layer, you can untick it and all the costs will be removed. The second layer is usually a thicker insulation that runs over the top, but this will depend on the thickness of the ceiling joist. I'll be leaving the material selection for my second layer as it is, but you can change this if you wish. I can see that the programme has allowed just under 6.5 hours to lay this first layer, and I have 5.5 hours for laying the second. I also know I'll need 4 rolls of my first layer 100mm insulation, and 8 rolls of my second layer 200mm insulation. This is because the programme has cleverly worked this out, basing its calculations on how many square metres are on each roll. The thicker roll has less square meterage, so more rolls are needed. My 44 square metres of loft insulation is priced. The totals for my materials, hours, labour and overall total are shown here along the bottom. The insulation loft module may be small, but its accuracy is second to none.